Welcome to the mesmerizing city of Vancouver, where nature's grandeur meets urban sophistication. Join us on an unforgettable journey through Vancouver's iconic landscapes, diverse neighborhoods, and the unique experiences that define this Canadian gem. Our adventure begins amidst the breathtaking beauty of Vancouver's natural wonders. Immerse yourself in the splendor of snow-capped mountains, explore lush rainforests, and soak in the coastal charm. Behold the majestic Stanley Park, an urban oasis that offers tranquility and scenic vistas. Take a leisurely ride along the world-renowned Seawall, where ocean meets skyscrapers. Step into Vancouver's eclectic neighborhoods, each with its own vibrant character. Stroll through the historic streets of Gastown and savor the artistic flair of Granville Island. Indulge your taste buds in the flavors of Vancouver's diverse culinary scene. From Pacific seafood to multicultural delicacies, the city's food culture is a culinary journey. Immerse yourself in Vancouver's rich cultural tapestry, where museums, galleries, and theaters showcase the city's artistic vitality. Experience Vancouver's modern vibrancy as you explore its contemporary attractions and vibrant nightlife. From trendy cafes to lively bars, Vancouver comes alive after dark. As the sun sets, Vancouver's skyline transforms into a breathtaking panorama of lights, embodying the city's dynamic spirit. Join us in celebrating the magic of Vancouver, a city that seamlessly blends nature and urban life. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a foodie, an art lover, or simply seeking urban adventures, Vancouver promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.